Okay, so the solution is actually in here. I'll post this in the description below. Create a file in the root of the project. So when you're using globals, they have to be in the root of the project. It's very, very important. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So now we go to source, which is the root, and we put global.d, I think .ts. Whoops. Okay, so next, it has to be a module, right? So you need to do this mumbo jumbo export, okay? Now you need to do declare. So declare makes it global. So one, we're gonna create interface, right? We're gonna do declare global like this, and then let's do interface name. Whoops. The name is gonna just have name and a string in it. Okay. So now let's go into some kind of component. Actually, let's go into, yeah, let's just go into a component. Okay. Oh shit, there is so much shit in here. No, let's not go here. Let's create just basically do this in source, create new folder, call it helper functions, and then create okay, I'll create it with you, abc.ts file, okay? So, it's complaining because it says everything has to be a module. So, to make it a module, do this. Put the export into it. It can be a dummy export. Now, this is a module. Now, you don't need to know about modules right now. Now, the question is, can we access this interface in this file, even though we did not import it? And the answer is yes, you can. So, for example, let's say let object name equals, whoops, name me. Now, you see it can read this interface from here. Now, if we remove this, it will start complaining. Do you see? Name is not found. If we move this here, you see now it works. So, making something global makes it accessible anywhere in your file system, as long as it's in the root, right? You can also create variables. So let's say declare let or const boom equals boom, I think, right? Declare. Oh, whoops. Now you can access boom globally. Okay, so let's say console log boom. I'm gonna use Quokka. You see, it's going to console log in the line in here. Oh shit, boom is not defined. Okay, I did a mistake somewhere. One second. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time on it, but it's not really working, the variables. I think you have to do something with the TypeScript config file. But you can do interfaces this way. So put this global, or whatever the name of the file, dot t for delta, dot ts into the root, which is source. Declare global, and then you can write anything you want in here. Let me try a second interface. Let's see, interface name 2, name number. Let's just do number. ID. Let's just do ID. Okay, let's see if it works. Let object 2 name 2 ID 1. Okay, so you can do interfaces. I think you can do interfaces and types, but you cannot do variables, I think, right? I wonder why you cannot do that. Okay, let's see. Close to number. Yeah, you're just not accessing it. But let's see. Type. Yeah, so you can do types and interfaces, but not variables. Okay, take care.